Blackheads and whiteheads begin forming on your face and body when the pores of our skin get blocked by dead skin cells, or the excess oil produced by the skin, or the debris and bacteria found on the skin surface. Basically, the pores get blocked and closed up. Among these blocked pores, those that have exposed or open tops become black or dark due to being exposed to the dirt and dust of the environment. These are thus called blackheads or open comedones, and those blocked pores whose openings are closed off appear as whitish looking small bumps. These are called whiteheads or closed comedones. When people begin developing blackheads and whiteheads, they often try to extract them by squeezing them out, but doing this is very harmful. Squeezing comedones to get rid of them is a bad idea. Firstly, because the dirt on the hands get into the exposed pores of the face. Secondly, when the white or blackhead is squeezed and it comes to the surface, then all the bacteria contained within it tend to spread on the skin, and this can cause a lot of irritation to the skin as well as the possibility of infection, which can in turn lead to the formation of pimples and black spots and marks on the skin. Thirdly, squeezing the comedones causes the mouth of the pores to open up and thus become enlarged. Besides this, it can lead to scarring. In order to remove these, many people recommend a facial scrub or recommend the use of steam. And popular method for removal is blackheads removal strips and the usage of mask made from besan, that is chickpea flour, rice and also charcoal. By adopting these methods, small blackheads are removed and so is the oiliness from skin, but bigger whiteheads and blackheads remain. Another commonly recommended treatment is the usage of benzoyl peroxide gel. This is good for treatment of pimples, but it isn't very helpful in the treatment of blackheads and whiteheads. In order to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, I will tell you simple and effective technique. Those people who have very oily skin should, before going to sleep at night, wash their face with lukewarm water and a 2% salicylic acid foaming wash or glycolic acid with salicylic acid face wash and gently rub it all the face. These face washes will, without any excess rubbing in, remove extra oil from your skin as well as clean out all the dead accumulated skin cells on your skin surface. At first, use these face washes only at night, and then if they suit you well, then use day and night also. After using salicylic acid, use or apply 0.1% adapalene gel. It should be applied once at night after washing the face on the blackheads and whiteheads on the skin. Slowly the blackheads and whiteheads will dry up and the fall off, and also will not leave any large open pores in their wake. This can be supplemented by using chickpea flour mask or charcoal mask once a week, which will give you good results. Those who have dry or normal skin do not require face wash. Such people need only wash their face with normal water and at night apply 0.1% adapalene gel. In 2 to 3 weeks, blackheads and whiteheads will be cleared out. Kindly note, adapalene can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Hence, use it at night only. Related to this content, check out my cool video on blackheads and whiteheads. Subscribe